In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Cloud Platform project using the Google Cloud Console. This is a foundational step before you dive into using all the exciting services that Google Cloud offers. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Google Cloud Console. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. This is your gateway to managing projects on Google Cloud, so having that set up is essential. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top bar of your dashboard. There, you'll find a project drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see the option to create a new project. As an alternative, you can navigate to the IAM and Admin section of the console and select Create a Project. Both pathways will lead you to the same New Project page. Now, let's focus on filling in the details for your new project. First and foremost is your project name. Here, you'll want to enter a descriptive name that gives you a clear idea of what the project is about, like My First App. Choose something memorable and specific to make future project management simpler. Next comes the project ID. Google automatically generates an ID for you, but if you wish to change it, remember it must include only lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. Keep in mind, you can't change this ID after the project is created, so double-check before finalizing it. Further down, you'll find the Organization or Location option. If your project is tied to a specific organization, select that organization. If not, there's no need to worry. Simply leave it as No Organization. This choice helps organize projects better, especially for businesses or enterprises managing multiple teams and resources across different departments. Once you're satisfied with your inputs, click on the Create button. The project setup is pretty quick, taking only a minute or two. After that, you'll automatically be redirected to your newly created project's view, ready to dive into the details. Now, if you wish to manage billing or other services, you've got a couple of additional things to consider. Head over to the Billing section of the Google Cloud Console. Here you can select or attach a billing account, which is necessary for accessing many of Google Cloud's premium services. Lastly, if you plan to use specific Google Cloud services like Cloud Storage, Google Maps, or BigQuery, you'll need to enable the relevant APIs. Navigate to the APIs and Services section and select Library. From there, you can search for and enable any APIs your project might need. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Google Cloud Platform project. This sets the stage for all your Google Cloud endeavors, whether you're building apps, analyzing data, or deploying services. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing.